Thank you for taking my hand on that bowling night out, because you made me believe that miracles are possible. And I just need to wish for them to happen. Well, one of the miracles is happening right now, because I'm marrying you. Today, on the day of our 4th anniversary, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you.
Love is the expression of one's values, and here today, Anton and Liubov have come to acknowledge their highest value. Love is the integration of thought and emotion, and the greatest reward in life. For these two people, their reward is to live and grow in the presence of each other.
I love you, baby!
I really like it. Nice. These are the hands of your best friend, strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever, and then some even after that. These are the hands that will give you support and encouragement to chase down your dreams. These are the hands that will love you and cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch.
You're my best friend, my adventure buddy, and my one and only public. You make me a better person whether I like it or not, and for that I'm extremely grateful. I feel truly complete standing here next to you. Thank you for being you, and thank you for sharing yourself with me. I'm excited for our new chapter of our lives together. I love you so, so much.
I was not aware that life can be so positive, that loving someone can be so effortless, that everything I want is achievable. And you showed me that, and you keep showing me that every day. Now I stand before you, looking into your beautiful blue eyes I fell in love with, and I vow to always support you and be by your side. With you, I feel protected, loved, and cared. I love you with all my heart, and I accept you as you are.
With this ring, I pledge my love and faithfulness to you, today, tomorrow, and always.
With this ring, I pledge my love and faithfulness to you, today, tomorrow, and always.
By the power of your love and commitment to each other, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal your vows with a kiss.